What I'm telling you should be on every news station. It should be taught in every school. All we should see everywhere should be this information. Zahi Hawass, he's running around. Oh my God, they put the data out. How are we gonna tell these people it's not real now? Too late.
This is such a hot topic, so let's continue talking about the Great Pyramid. In my last video, I showed a rendering from the Compendium of the Emerald Tablets written by Billy Carson over 5.5 years ago, and on page 34, it shows these columns reaching depths of over 2,000 kilometers underneath the Giza Plateau. That's over 1.2 miles or 6,500 feet beneath the pyramids. It creates these halls, and that's exactly what they just discovered using synthetic aperture radar. Is your mind blown yet? Here's how they did it.
If this ain't blowing your mind, then you don't care about this kind of stuff. Filippo Biondi, the Italian scientist with the satellite that discovered this information, these are scientists that have satellites in space. And what I love is that they didn't have to get any permission from the Egyptian government to do this because they just positioned the satellite right above Egypt and scanned it in space.
I love how they scan the area and publish the information for the public. They need to position these satellites over Antarctica so we can see what's beneath the ice that all these research bases have been studying and kept hidden from the public for decades. So Billy, is there something that you can show us to help put the scale in perspective for us?
But I want you guys to see this. To the left, you see the Great Pyramid. To the right, you see the Burj Khalifa. Now I want you to take a look at this Burj Khalifa and the One World Trade Center compared to the size of what's underground at Giza. I just want you to wrap your mind around this for a minute. This can probably hold about maybe 32 to 36 Burj Khalifas underneath, can fill up this entire area underneath 3 pyramids. At this point, the pyramids themselves are nothing but specks of dust. What's underneath the pyramids is 10 million times more important than the pyramid itself. Our greatest feat in history on Earth is dwarfed by what's underneath the pyramids. Forget about trying to figure out how they built it. What about what they built underneath the pyramids? That's the real question. We couldn't do this today. And if we did it, it would cost hundreds of trillions of dollars. And so the mainstream wants to tell you that they built the Great Pyramid in 20 years. Y'all forgot to mention about what was underneath the pyramid. You didn't bring that part up. They have columns going down there that are bigger than the Burj Khalifa.
Thanks for watching.